Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a PIN code on the Robinhood Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Robinhood Wallet application on your device, and after logging in, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Backups and Security. Here you can now tap on Biometrics and System PIN, and after you verify your identity, you will be able to choose between biometrics and a custom PIN. If you choose biometrics and system PIN, then this will use your PIN code that you are using to unlock your device. To set up your own PIN code, tap on custom PIN, and now you will be able to enter your desired 6-digit PIN. Type in your PIN code and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now your PIN code has been set up successfully. You can change this at any time if you wish by tapping on the change PIN option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a PIN code on the Robinhood Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.